According to me, face reading was just looking at emotions of people and expressions on a person's face. I never looked at anyone with much of an interest. While I was at the workshop, I was amazed at the vast and detailed information, like the breakup of age on a person's face, or the accidents and the incidents that a person may have undergone. So that was something very interesting, and I was really taken in. After the workshop, the world seems like an open book actually, because the people I interact with, I see their faces, I read their faces now, and I can also understand whether I can trust another person or not, whether this person has a tendency to cheat, whether this person will be a good partner. So, a lot of things can be understood. Every person is like an encyclopedia. After the workshop, the life has changed to a very major extent because now there are no shocks. I understand a lot of humans just by looking at their faces. Face reading workshop has added another dimension to my persona. The reason is because I now feel that I'm better equipped to deal with the people, with the world, and that has added definitely to my self esteem. So I'm very happy I did the workshop, and of course, it's like a deep ocean which I need to still dive into. So the more I read, the more I practice, and the more I observe, the better it gets. So, thank you.